Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track. So the host of this collab is Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, and then there's a couple of us that are hosting with her. So I'm going to go ahead and link us all below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss Fit for Life. Now, as in all collaborations, we always want to practice YouTube etiquette, guys. Now in this video, I'm going to be making a quick lunch and it doesn't have to be anything junky. So I decided to make a tuna fish sandwich using keto bread from Aldi's and Duke's mayo. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together, leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end.
Okay, let me. Okay, that clock needs a battery.
Now, of course, my youngest son always pops in my videos and watches everything. He's so handsome, isn't he? Now, I did feel like cheating a little bit, guys. So I started eating these honey barbecue chips, and I just placed the rest on my plate. And this is what I'm having. It's quick and easy, and it's really not as high calorie as it appears to be. I could do better, but today is one of those days. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.